Hello, my name is Logan Painter, and this is going to be a short tutorial on how to access your Facebook page that leads to your admin access. So what you do on your left-hand side, you should see the shortcut to your page. Hit that page. This is going to be a test page I made right here. Super easy, just a couple clicks. You go down to the very bottom, settings. Go down to the side here, you see page roles, hit page roles. Then you're going to see here who has admin access, and as you can see, we need to add Mike Berlin. He is the owner and manager of Slam Car Wash Marketing. That's the one right there, that blue shirt with the glasses. That's him. You're going to change this access level to admin and then just add. You're going to need to put a password in. So assuming you know your password that you got in there. And then boom, now Mike Berlin is pending access and he will be able to access as an admin to your page. That's it. Painless and over. Thank you.